Today we are going to start our mathematics first lesson, number system. Now we learn about how to find SCF of two numbers, three numbers. To first recall how to find SCF or GCD. Find SCF or GCD of numbers. Now first easy method is prime factorization method. Find SCF of 72 and 264. Now prime factors of 72. First find prime factors of 72. So now 72 is even number. So first prime factor is 2, means it is divisible by 2. So 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12. Again 36 is an even number, it is also divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. Again 18 is also even number, it is also divisible by 2, means 2 9s are. Now 9, the factor of 9, prime factor is 3. 3 3s are 9. Again 3 1s are 3. These are prime factors of 72. Now write all prime factors of 72 in index form. Means 72 is equal to 2 2 2. 2 occurred 3 times, means 2 raised to 3 multiplied by 3 occurred 3 times, means 3 square. Similarly find factors of 264. First factor is 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 12. Again 2 6s are 12, 2 6s are 12. Again 2 3s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6. Now prime factor of 33 is 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. 11 itself is a prime number, so factor of 11 is 11. So now prime factors of 264 in index form. 2 occur 3 times, means 2 raised to 3 multiplied by 3 raised to 1. Again 11 raised to 1. Now these are prime factors of 72 and 264. Now you have to find SCF. In this method you can find SCF and LCM both simultaneously. In other methods you have to do 2 times. So what is SCF? SCF is equal to product of prime numbers with least index. So here least common factor is 2 raised to 3. With least index is 3, means 2 raised to 3. This is common number. So SCF is product of prime numbers or prime factors with least index. So here SCF is equal to 2 raised to 3 means 8. Now by this method SCF is 8. Now in this lesson you have to find SCF by Euclid's division lemma. So let us find SCF by Euclid's division lemma or Euclid's division theorem or algorithm. Now what is Euclid's division theorem? Euclid's division lemma or algorithm or theorem, you can say. Theorem. You know that dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Now we will take same example. Now 72 and 264. Here if we divide 264 by 72, if we divide 264 by 72, what will happen? 72 threes are 72 threes are 216, 14 minus 6, 8, 48. So remainder is 72. Again if you divide 72 by 48, so 48 ones are 48, 4, 24. Again this is remainder. If you divide 48 by 24, 24 twos are 48. No, sorry, here 3 common factor is 3 also. So multiply by 3 means 8 threes are 24. Sorry, here so in the third stage remainder is 0. So here divisor is 24. When divisor is 24, remainder is 0. So SCF is 24. So here 264, you can write this as 72 multiplied by 3 plus 48. Second step, now this 72 is equal to, now here remainder is 48. In second stage remainder will become divisor, means here divisor is 48, 48 into 1 and remainder is 24. In third stage divisor will become dividend and remainder will become divisor. So 24 twos are 48 and remainder is 0. Now first step 264 is equal to 72 into 3, this is remainder. Second step मध्ये काय होईल 72 डिव्हिडंड बनेल आणि रिमाइंडर काय होईल डिवायझर. नाउ यू हॅव टू proceed this up to you get remainder as 0. Now in this step remainder is 0 and divisor is 24. तर ज्या स्टेपमध्ये तुम्हाला रिमाइंडर 0 मिळतो तर त्या स्टेपमधला जो डिवायझर असतो तो म्हणजे SCF असतो. सो हियर SCF इज we get remainder 0 in third step, and in this step divisor is equal to 24, hence SCF is 24. So in Euclid's division lemma, this is method for finding SCF by Euclid's division lemma. So how will you define this? In both method you can verify Euclid's division method as well as this prime factorization method. So how will you define Euclid's division method? Now here this is dividend, this is quotient, this is remainder, and this is divisor. So in Euclid's division lemma, how will you define? If x and y are positive integers, if x and y are positive integers where x is dividend, y is divisor. If x and y are positive integers, there exist q and r, such that there exist integers q and r such that x is equal to yq plus r. X is equal to yq plus r. Here x is divisor, x is dividend, y is divisor, q is quotient, and r is remainder. This is same as this form, dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Now condition is r is, how is r? r remainder आहे. रिमाइंडर कसा असतो हा नेहमी डिवायझर पेक्षा स्मॉल असतो, मीन्स आर इज लेस दॅन डिवायझर वाय अँड ग्रेटर दॅन झिरो, समटाइम्स रिमाइंडर इज 0 ऑल्सो, हेन्स आर इज ग्रेटर दॅन ऑर इक्वल टू 0 and it always less than divisor y. This is Euclid's division lemma. Now you have to find SCF of any two numbers. In this Euclid division lemma you can find SCF by only two numbers, SCF of two numbers. So find SCF of 372, 342 and 612 and 612 by Euclid's division lemma. Now here divisor is 216, sorry, dividend is 612 and divisor is 342. So divide 612 by 342. 342 ones are 342. 0, 11 minus 4, 7, 6 minus 4, 2. So 612 is equal to 314 multiplied by 1 plus remainder is 270. In second step, this divisor will become dividend and this remainder will become divisor. 270 ones are 342, 270 ones are 277 ones are, now remainder is 72. Again 272 divided by 72. 72 3s are 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21, 4 5. Here in third step, divisor become dividend and remainder will be divisor. 72 multiplied by quotient is 3 and remainder is 54. Now 72 will become dividend and remainder will become divisor. 54 ones are 54. 72 minus 54, 18. So here 18. Again 54 is equal to 18 3s are. Now in this step remainder is 0 and divisor is 16. So we get remainder 0 when divisor is, we get remainder 0 when divisor is equal to 18, hence SCF is equal to 18. So we have to proceed up to we get remainder 0 and when we get remainder 0 the divisor will be SCF. Now if you have to verify, so how will you verify? 612, factors of 612, 2 3s are 6, 2 0 0, 2 6 are 12. Again 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are, again 3 17 ones are. These are prime factors of 612. So you can write 612 as 2 into 2 occur 2 times means 2 square, 3 occur 2 times means 3 square. These are prime factors of 612. Similarly find prime factors of 342. So prime smallest to greatest ascending order मध्ये लिहायचे प्राइम फॅक्टर्स. 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 14, sorry 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 2. Again it is odd number. 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are 21. Again 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are 19, 1s are. So prime factors of 342 is equal to 2 occur 1 times. 3 into 3 means 3 occur. Means you have to write it in exponential form. Now SCF is equal to common factors with least power. Least power कोणता आहे याच्यामध्ये? 2⁻1. Again another common factor is 3. So least power is 3 square. Means 2 into 3 square 9. SCF is, it is verified that by both method SCF is 16. Next, next problem is show that every positive even integer is of the form 2n and every positive odd integer is of the form 2n plus 1. Show that every positive even integer is of the form 2n and every positive odd integer is of the form 2n plus 1. Now, even integers. Which are even integers? 2, 4, 6, 8. Odd integers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Here you can take 10. Now it is of the form 2n. तुम्हाला 2n च्या फॉर्म मध्ये दाखवायचं आहे इव्हन इंटिजर्स. नाउ एनी यू नो दैट एनी इव्हन नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 2. सो हाउ विल यू राइट 2? 2 इज इक्वल टू 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 प्लस 0. 2 1s are 2 plus 0. Again 4. How will you write 4 even integer? 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4 plus 0. 6. 2 3s are 6 plus 0. 8. 2 4s are 8 plus 0. Here every time remainder is 0. 2 is constant and these numbers are in increasing order. So how will you write? Suppose even number is x. X is x is even number. Hence how will you write this? Is x is equal to 2 is constant and these are n and this is 0. Means 2n plus 0 means you can say 2n. Here n is equal to natural numbers. Here n is equal to 1 2 3 up to infinite. Hence even number can be expressed in the form 2n and odd numbers. Let y is odd number. Now first odd number is 1. So how will you write 1? Means 2 into 0. 2 0 0 plus 1. Next odd number is 3. How will you write 3? 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1. Again next odd number is 5. Means 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. Next odd number is 7. 7 means 2 3s are 6 plus 1. Here every time 2 is constant, remainder is 1 and these numbers are n. Means hence y is equal to 2n plus 1. Here n is equal to whole number 1 2 3 up to infinite. Hence every positive even integer is of the form 2n and every positive odd number is in the form 2n plus 1. Next, now show that third example. show that 5 into 3 into 2 plus 3 is composite number. You know composite number? What is my composite number? Prime number. Prime number means the number which is divisible by only one and itself. Composite number, the number which has factors other than one and itself, or you can say when it is divisible by any another number, it is called composite number. So you have to show this is a composite number. Number is 5 into 3 plus 2 plus 3. Now there are two terms. There are two terms. Terms are separated by plus and minus. Plus and minus means there are only two terms. This is first term and this is second. Now in both terms 3 is common. So take 3 as common. Take 3 as common and write remaining numbers as it is. So remaining numbers are 5 into 2 प्लस 3 1 जा 3. कॉमन घेतल्यानंतर डिवाइड केलं आपण. नंतर 3 5 2 जा 10 प्लस 11. सो 3 into 11. Now means this number can be expressed as a product of two numbers. That numbers may be prime or composite, but you can express that number as a product of two numbers, means it has two factors which 3 and 11. या नंबरला दोन फॅक्टर्स आहेत 3 आणि 11 अदर दॅन 1 and itself. So it is a composite number. You have to solve by this method, not calculation. So this number has two factors 3 and 11, hence it is a composite number. Next, find SCF and LCM of 36, 48 and 60 by prime factorization method. By prime factorization method, you have to find LCM and SCF. So first find prime factors of these two numbers. Prime factors of 36, 48 and 60. 36. Prime factors of 36. 2 18s are, 2 9s are, 3 3s are and 3 1s are. Means in exponent form, how will you write 36 as 2 occur 2 times means 2 square, 3 occur 2 times means 3 square, means 2 square into 3 square. 48. Prime factors of 48. प्राइम फॅक्टर्स नेहमी असेंडिंग ऑर्डरमध्ये लिहायचे. 2 2 2 जा 4, 2 4 जा 8, अगेन 2 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4, अगेन 2 2 6 जा 12, अगेन 3 2 3 जा 6, 3 1 जा 3. नाउ प्राइम फॅक्टर्स ऑफ 48. 2 occur here, 2 occur 4 times. 2 occur 4 times means 2 raised to 4 and 3 occur only once means 3 raised to 1. Again prime factors of 60. Prime factors of 60. 2 3s are, again 2 15s are, again 3 5s are, 5 1s are, means 60 is equal to 2 occur 2 times means 2 square, 3 raised to 1 and 5 raised to 1. Now these are prime factors of 36, 48 and 60. Now HCF, how you write HCF? What is HCF? HCF is product of prime factors with least index or least power. Now here common factor is 2 and 3. So 2. So common factor is 2 and 3. So least common least index कोणता याच्यामध्ये 2 raised to 2 आहे, इथे 2 raised to 4 आहे, इथे 2 raised to 4 आहे. सो लिस्ट पॉवर कोणता आहे 2, ते या पॉवरमधला लिस्ट पॉवर लिहायचं इथे म्हणजे 2 स्क्वेअर. अगेन अनादर कॉमन फॅक्टर इज 3. हिअर 3 raised to 2, 3 raised to 1, 3 raised to 1. तर याच्यातला लिस्ट पॉवर कोणता आहे 1, तर तो लिस्टवाला लिहायचा आहे आणि याचा प्रॉडक्ट करायचा म्हणजे 2 स्क्वेअर 4, 3 1 मीन्स 4 3s are 12. तो HCF is 12. Now you can verify HCF only, not LCM, by Euclid's division lemma also. Now LCM. What is LCM? LCM is product of common factors with highest index. आता इथे 2चा हायेस्ट इंडेक्स काय आहे 4, मीन्स LCM इज इक्वल टू 2चा हायेस्ट इंडेक्स आहे 4, 3चा हायेस्ट इंडेक्स आहे 2 1 1 म्हणजे हायेस्ट इंडेक्स आहे 3 स्क्वेअर आणि 5चा हायेस्ट इंडेक्स आहे 1. इथे 5 जरी नसेल तर 5चा इंडेक्स काय असेल इथे 0. इथे 5 लिहिलेला जरी नाही but you can write 5 raised to 0. So here greatest index काय आहे 5चा 1 means 2 raised to 4 means 16, 3 square 9 into 5. Now multiply this, 16 5s are 80, 80 into 9, 9 8s are 72, 0. So HCF is equal to 12 and LCM is equal to 720. Next, if if 360 is equal to 2 raised to x multiply by 3 raised to 1 multiply by 5 raised to z, then x plus y plus z is equal to what? Here 360 is expressed as product of prime factors. Hence all these are all prime numbers 2, 3 and 5 and their exponents are not given. So you have to find prime factors of 360 and then you can find xyz. Now prime factors of 360. Smallest prime number is 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 eights are 16, 2 0. Again 2 nines are 18, 2 0. Again 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are. Now 3 15s are. Again 3 5s are, 5 ones are. Means 2 occur 3 times, means 2 cube, means 360 is equal to 2 cube. 3 occur 2 times, means 3 square, and 5 occur only 1 times. Means if you compare this with 2 raised to x, 3 raised to y and 5 raised to z, then you will get comparing with 2 raised to x, 3 raised to y, 5 raised to z, we get x is equal to 3, y is equal to here 3 raised to y, here 3 raised to 2, and z is equal to 1. Hence x plus y plus z is equal to 3 plus 2 plus 1 means 6.